An Ansible ad hoc command uses the usr-bin Ansible command line tool to automate a single task on one or more managed nodes. Ad hoc commands are quick and easy, but they are not reusable. So why learn about ad hoc commands first? Ad hoc commands demonstrate the simplicity and power of Ansible. The concepts you learn here will port over directly to the playbook language. Why use ad hoc commands? Ad hoc commands are great for tasks you repeat rarely. For example, if you want to power off all the machines in your lab for Christmas vacation, you could execute a quick one-liner in Ansible without writing a playbook. An ad hoc command looks like this. For example, Ansible web servers m-service name equals httpd state equals restarted. Use cases for ad hoc tasks. Ad hoc tasks can be used to reboot servers, copy files, manage packages and users, and much more. You can use any Ansible module in an ad hoc task. Ad hoc tasks, like playbooks, use a declarative model, calculating and executing the actions required to reach a specified final state. They achieve a form of idempotence by checking the current state before they begin and doing nothing unless the current state is different from the specified final state. Managing users and groups. You can create, manage, and remove user accounts on your managed nodes with ad hoc tasks. #Ansible all m-Ansible. Built-in. User name equals trump password equals less than crypted password here greater than, example. Ansible operation m-Ansible. Built-in. User name equals trump password. Managing files. An ad hoc task can harness the power of Ansible and SCP to transfer many files to multiple machines in parallel. To transfer a file directly to all servers in the operation group. Rebooting servers. The default module for the Ansible command line utility is the Ansible built-in command module. You can use an ad hoc task to call the command module and reboot all web servers in Atlanta, 10 at a time. Before Ansible can do this, you must have all servers in Atlanta listed in a group called Atlanta in your inventory, and you must have working SSH credentials for each machine in that group. To reboot all the servers in the Atlanta group, #Ansible web sbin reboot. By default, Ansible uses only 5 simultaneous processes. If you have more hosts than the value set for the fork count, Ansible will talk to them, but it will take a little longer. To reboot the Atlanta servers with 10 parallel forks, #Ansible web sbin reboot f10 usr bin. Ansible will default to running from your user account. To connect as a different user, #Ansible web sbin reboot f10u username. Rebooting probably requires privilege escalation. You can connect to the server as username and run the command as the root user by using the become keyword. #Ansible web sbin reboot f10u username. Become, ask become pass. If you add, ask become pass or k, Ansible prompts you for the password to use for privilege escalation, sudo, su, fexic, doas, etc. Managing packages. You might also use an ad hoc task to install, update, or remove packages on managed nodes using a package management module like yum. To ensure a package is installed without updating it. To ensure a package is at the latest version. #Ansible web servers m-Ansible. Built-in.yum name equals httpd state equals latest. To ensure a package is not installed. #Ansible web servers Ansible. Built-in.yama, name equals httpd state equals absent. Ansible has modules for managing packages under many platforms. If there is no module for your package manager, you can install packages using the command module or create a module for your package manager. Managing services. Ensure a service is started on all web servers. #Ansible web Ansible. Built-in. Servicer, name equals httpd state equals started. Alternatively, restart a service on all web servers. #Ansible web servers Ansible. Built-in. Servicer, name equals httpd state equals restarted. Ensure a service is stopped. #Ansible web servers Ansible. Built-in. Servicer, name equals httpd state equals stopped. Gathering facts. Facts represent discovered variables about a system. You can use facts to implement conditional execution of tasks, but also just to get ad hoc information about your systems. To see all facts, #Ansible all Ansible. Built-in. Setup.